Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri Kulkarni, a final year student pursuing my Electronics and Telecommunication branch from Cummins College of Engineering. I'm here to share my experience of learning at Impetus Technologies. Regardless of being from non-computer science background, programming is something which I was always interested in, and needless to say, it's a skill which is in demand. This domain of programming being quite extensive and time being a constraint in engineering schedule, I always wanted a coaching which would train me efficiently and effectively. I'm glad to have enrolled myself under Rishikesh sir at Impetus Technologies, who's the most promising and well experienced person in this domain. I've done all my courses from basic to advanced levels, and it's only because of sir's excellent coaching that I was able to grasp even the toughest of the topics easily. His efforts of making us understand the concepts through videos, through visuals like videos, audios, and making sure to execute even the tiniest of the code on various softwares and platforms helped me a lot. The e learning portal facilitated by the class gave me an access to exhaustive topics and examples. The regular assignments and consistent assessment given by Sir made me confident not only to appear for my university exams but also to appear various interviews of multinational companies, which helped me bag an offer of server technician at Oracle company. I would like to express my gratitude to Rishikesh sir and all other faculties at Impetus Technologies who patiently helped me reach my goals and to give me a head start to my this journey of career. Thank you.